Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 23rd, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the US dollar, very strong to the downside. It probably is going to go down and retest these lows before it actually does end up making that bigger move to the upside that we've been waiting for. So anyways, let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, it definitely does look at this point like a double three pattern. 1, 2, 3 waves down, 1, 2, 3 waves up. So more than likely we're either making 3 waves down, which it doesn't look like that is the case, or we're making 5 waves down, which will probably end up looking something like this before it actually does make another move to the upside. So let's keep that in mind. Let's head down to the daily time frame. So based on that weekly time frame analysis, we probably have a lot of downside potential left. I mean, at some point you kind of would expect to see like a proper wave 2 and then a wave 3, but sometimes you get these runaway trends. What I mean by a runaway trend is it doesn't really make that many big pullbacks. It's just kind of little lower lows, lower highs the whole way down. Kind of seems to me like that's what's going on. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. So for me, my newest structure level is right here. So I will be doing absolutely nothing but looking for sells on shorter time frames unless it breaks this structure. If it breaks that structure right there, I will happily start looking for buys, but I will not even think about looking for buys until I see a structure break. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. So like I said, this structure right here is the only thing that will turn me into a buyer. Until I see the break of this structure right here, I am looking at every move to the upside as nothing more than a possible correction to the last wave down. Just like this right here was a correction to this right here. So every single counter trend move I see, I will not be trading to the long side. Even if it does break structure on the 1 hour time frame, that definitely does not mean that the higher time frame trend is over. That would probably just mean that the last series of lower lows, lower highs is over. So even if it does break up, I personally, as a swing trader, will definitely be waiting patiently for a Fibonacci bounce, for 3-way pullbacks, for more entries to go short. Like I said, there's nothing that's going to cause me to go long except for a break of structure, which we definitely do not have yet. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked out here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.